Bienvenidos aquí al canal de Sazón Moto. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. I got Luna. Today is a beautiful day here in Florida. It's been raining for the past week, so I haven't been able to get some rides in and stuff like that. So the past couple days I've been working on the bike on and off with the headers. I know you guys see my previous video where I did the installation. She's still dirty. It's been crazy. Like, the last thing I did to this thing was I removed the stock air filter and I replaced it with the Sprint air filter. I did that last night. It was kind of crazy because I was so tired, very stressed. The thing is with me is like, once I get my mind focused on something, I need to accomplish it and I need to get it done right then and there. So here she is. I just pulled it out of the garage. I want you guys to see the new exhaust in the sunlight. I haven't even seen this in the sunlight, so I'm looking at this for the first time, just like you guys are. I pulled her out and she looks great. These are supposed to be titanium headers. I'm hoping that this is. I wrote it for, oh, yes it is, because there's bluing some there. Okay. Last night I actually wrote it just a test ride to see if I had any error code, because I removed the stock air filter with the Sprint air filter. I replaced the headers with the Akrapovic headers along with the Akrapovic exhaust. I decided to go with the titanium Akrapovic. As you guys see, I went through a tobacco where I placed an order online. In the description it mentioned that it said titanium and carbon fiber materials. I jumped on it immediately because I've been looking for this exhaust. You guys know, dating back all the way to January, I've been trying to get my hands on one of these things. This is the exhaust that I wanted. Almost settled for a Aero exhaust, almost. But I held on a little bit longer. My patience was wearing super duper thin. So finally I got my hands on this Akrapovic exhaust and I'm so happy that I waited. I did the installation on this thing, as you guys saw in my previous video. I will never ever do this again. That was the biggest pain in the butt ever to install on this bike. I don't know if other bikes are different, but this one, it was wow, never again. But anyway, I got her all buttoned up. She looks great. Look how fantastic she looks with that. It just, I don't know, this screams, it fits me. I'm so pretty. But we're gonna do a cold start. I haven't started her up yet. I just pulled her out of the garage, and I just wanted you guys to see it. Look how good that looks. And I mean, like, right down to the look how all the carbon fiber. I wanted this installed also because I think it looks great with all of that together. Like, it just flows seamlessly. I've seen it without it and I'm just like, okay, it looks good. It just gives it a touch, I don't know, a slight touch to it. So just want to make sure that I have no error codes coming up. Oh, that sounds so good. Oh, man. And the best part about it is that this bike is not ridiculously loud. Like, it's not an annoying loud where I need to, I forgot to wear my earplugs. Oh well, it is what it is. But yeah, let me see what time it is. Oh crap, I'm gonna have to take the turnpike. I didn't want to take the turnpike. I wanted to go local, take the scenic route, but it's all good. It's all good. But yeah, she looks amazing. She came out beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Everything is tight. I took a quick ride to make sure that nothing comes up. Look at that. You see straight through there. She looks so good. She really does. She really, really does. I have a few more updates coming through. Make sure all is good here. She's still new. She's close to 1,400 miles. Should be hitting the 1,400 miles soon. This is great. Oh, that is, she's got a little bit of bugs. She got some bug splats from last night. I took her for a spin to see. So yeah. Get to look in here. Yeah, get to see the. Oh yeah, you can see the headers bluing up. Yeah, you can see the headers taking some blue form. Oh, it's great. It's got a nice low grunt to it, which I love. And I also did Brent tuning on this. When I replaced the headers and everything, before I even started the bike, stage 1 ECU flash, made sure that it had the Sprint air filter in that flash for the mapping. Also had the full titanium Akrapovic exhaust. I sent that all in. They sent it back. One big piece of advice that I did not know and I wasn't aware, and I learned from trial and error. Listen very closely to what I'm saying. If you have a flash tune device, okay, you flash tune a bike and you decide to sell it or get rid of it, make sure that you put it back into stock form. Reason being, okay, this is the reason. If you do not undo the flash on the original, on the bike that you did it on, and you decide to sell it, that flash tuner is now married to that bike, and it is the biggest pain in the ass to revert it. I didn't know that. I had got rid of the Yamaha R1 and I got this bike, never put the flash back into stock form, and I had to pay a fee to get it unlocked. So you're going to run through that issue. It's not really a big major issue, but it's more money out of your pocket. So that's one thing that you need to learn. If you are doing your own mapping and you have your own flash device, then make sure that you put that back as stock form before you get rid of the bike with the flash tune and not have to pay additional out of your pocket, because it was pretty expensive. So let's give her some revs. Oh. The neighbors hate me. I don't care. Let's go. Oh, it just feels so different already. Woo! Feels like a different bike too. You guys hear that? Ooh. I'm in love. Oh my gosh, I can feel the rumble. Oh, it sounds so good. It really does. Yeah. Oh, yeah, this is great. Like, I'm super happy. Like, I have no words. I really didn't want to vlog, but I said, you know what? I need to capture my experience with this bike, because I rode it for a little bit just to make sure that I didn't have any codes up on the screen or anything pop up. So far, she's good. The Brent tuning did an amazing job with the low end torque on this thing. Woo, man, I rode it last night, but I didn't realize she was on rain mode. I guess when I flash tuned it, it reverted to rain mode. But yeah, this thing is amazing. It sounds great, it looks great, and it feels great. The three combinations you definitely want to experience. I'm still looking around like, is that my bike? This guy is so used to the restriction. Let me shut up for a minute so you guys can hear this. Ready? Ooh. Oh, yes, it sounds so good. I'm excited. Oh, it's music to my ears. This is how a bike should feel from factory, to be honest. I don't know what ordeal they had before, like why all the restrictions for this. It's a sin not to have this kind of power, this kind of sound and feeling. Oh, the smile. I wish you guys could see the smile on my face. Like, oh, I've waited so long to get this flash, and it's finally here. And I waited so long to get this flash tuning and the exhaust. Well, I waited so long for the exhaust, first and foremost. I could have flash tuned the bike a while ago, but I really didn't want to. This feels great. This feels amazing. Oh, I forgot to put in my earplugs. It's gonna get louder, but I'm enjoying the sound. It is 10:43. I am so late. I'll be at work at 11. Yeah, it's gonna help break in the bike a bit more too, or break in the exhaust. Yeah, it's gonna help break in the exhaust too. So. Oh man. Oh, I'm so happy. this feels exciting to me. Oh man, pure sound, pure sound. Listen to it. And I've come to love this helmet. The Shoei X14. Before I was like, nah, I want to sell it, get an AGV, but you know what? I'm okay with this helmet. I've gotten quite used to it now. It's broken in properly to conform my head. I wonder how. I'm curious. I'm waiting to edit this video. Oh, you hear that? You hear that? Listen, listen. Oh! The smile on my face right now is ridiculous. My cheeks hurt. My face is hurting. Oh, we're gonna hit the highway. Oh, I forgot they paved this. Finally. Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. Steady, steady, ready. Oh, it grumbles. It like rumbles so low. Now the wind noise is going to take over, unfortunately. But we'll see. I did change up the settings on the GoPro, so I don't know if that's going to have an effect on the mic or not. Woo! It is windy. Holy cow. I doubt you guys will hear it. Oh, I can hear the bike. That is so... It's very, very windy. I'm trying to take it easy. Alright. Get it to our exit. Man, it's windy. It's very, very windy. It's nice out, but it's super windy. Oh man, I missed the sound. The Crossplane engine was great, but I missed the sound. This feels more at home. Oh. You guys hear that, right? Now I can do red bombs under the bridge. Oh, yes, it sounds so good. Ready, ready, ready? One more time. Woo, this sounds so good. One loud one, ready? Yes! Oh, music to my ears. Oh man, just look at it. Look at it, stare at it. Beautiful. It smells new too. Like it's got a distinct smell. I am super ecstatic and excited, and the bike feels so much lighter. That's the crazy part. I noticed that instantly. I was like, wow, hold on. Woo. These trucks are coming so close. But yeah, I'm just waiting for this light to change. I know, they go, they go, they go. All right, so far, my experience behind this tuning is great. It's smoothed out the bike so much. I never really tried it without the tuning, like new exhaust and new tuning, but I've heard I watched a bunch of YouTube videos where guys were turning on their bikes and it just, the idling was just so rough. Now, what the tuning did do for this bike was, when I used to start her up, if you look at my previous video, the cold starts were super high compared to now. Now the cold starts are more tamed. So it's a little different. What? That's great. The horn on that thing is ridiculous. That's funny. Only in Florida. Listen to that. You guys hear it? Without the quick shifter. I needed one without it. It sounds so good. Oh my gosh. I'm super late. I'm supposed to be there at 11. I have an 11 o'clock appointment and I'm so late for it. Can I go around you, bro? Oh, man. Oh, this sounds so good. Their ass is sticking all out. Whip that ass in, boy. Girl, whatever you are. Oh, okay, let's go. This feels like a proper bike now. Ooh, wow, right into neutral, huh? Okay, that's what we're doing. Quick shifter didn't like the first gear drop. Alright guys, thank you guys again for watching. Stay tuned for the next videos, and I'll check you guys in the next one. Stay safe. Peace.